Hi, I'm constitutional attorney Katherine Henry, and this is just the reminder that tomorrow at noon on Tuesday, we're going live on our Facebook and Rumble channels to do our Restore Freedom Weekly episode. This will be week number 11 of Restore Freedom Weekly, and this week's topic is kind of a popular debate right now. We're going to be covering the Don't Say Gay bill, as it's been called in mainstream media and on skits like Saturday Night Live had 2 Saturdays ago. So, what does the bill actually say? What does it do? And what rights are really associated with this bill? It's a hot topic, and it's definitely something that we all need to be informed on before we actually go sharing our opinions about it. So, join me tomorrow at noon Eastern Standard Time on Tuesday on our Rumble channel or on our Facebook channel. We'll be live having a very informative discussion on what has been dubbed as the Do Not Say Gay bill by the mainstream media and the likes of Saturday Night Live hosts. So hopefully we will see you tomorrow, and we look forward to informing you about it then.